Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check your MacBook's battery cycle count and overall battery health in just a few clicks. Let's jump right into it. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. Then, select About this Mac from the drop-down menu, and click on the More Info. Step 2. System Report. In the window that pops up, click the System Report button. This will open a new window with detailed information about your Mac. On the left-hand side, scroll down and click on Power. This section shows everything about your Mac's battery. Now look for a section labeled Health Information. Here you'll find two key things. Cycle count. This tells you how many full charge cycles your battery has gone through. Condition. This shows the overall health of your battery. It'll say things like normal, service recommended, or replace soon. Most modern MacBooks are rated for around 1,000 charge cycles before the battery is considered worn out. So if your cycle count is getting close to that, you might notice shorter battery life. If you found this helpful, there's a lot more where that came from. Head over to Techable.com for more Mac tips, how-tos, and expert guides. And if you're looking to buy, sell, or upgrade any Apple device, Techable has you covered with the best deals on MacBooks, iPhones, and more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out Techable.com for all things Apple.